Prior design VW ID. Buzz embellishes the electric box with attitude. Mild tweaks add up to a far more intense rectangle. We imagine that after the Volkswagen ID Buzz gets here in 2024, the revived bus is going to seed a fertile aftermarket ecosystem. The tuner shoots are already showing in Europe. Germany's showing a camping kit called the Bus Box 4, Alpincamper its full-on camper conversion, Norway's Zyrus engineering showing a carbon fiber aero kit design, and Germany's Irmscher leaning into a fast and furious look. Staying in Germany, Prior Design is more known for the addenda it designs for supercars, but has turned its eye on the ID Buzz. The reborn Bulli being effectively a Spartan rectangle, there's not much to be done for tuning and not much needs to be done. The Prior kit in that case is mostly linear embellishments, starting with a front lip spoiler and extended carbon fiber corners for the diamond grille. From there, a black and white scheme splits the upper and lower portions of the van. But the real drama of the side view is the white turbofan rotiform wheels bracketing more aggressive side sills. The rims aren't ostentatiously sized, looking just right for the part under a slightly lowered ride height. In back, a new hatch spoiler just happens to play off the lines of the taillight bar, as does the straight rear diffuser. Prior Design likes to show ideas before making a decision on production, as it did with a study for the BMW 4 Series grille that should have been made but wasn't. It's still playing around with its plans for the ID Buzz. In fact, we like the red van more than the black and white one, so feel free to encourage the Dinslake and tuner if you like what you see.